AI is rapidly changing the world, and it is difficult to predict how it will ultimately impact our lives. However, there are some potential benefits and risks that we can already identify. Potential benefits of AI could help us to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as climate change, poverty, and disease. AI could make our lives easier and more efficient by automating tasks and providing us with personalized recommendations. AI could help us to better understand ourselves and the world around us by analyzing large amounts of data and identifying patterns. Potential risks of AI could be used to create autonomous weapons that could kill without human intervention. AI could be used to manipulate people and control their behavior. AI could lead to mass unemployment, as machines become capable of doing many of the jobs that are currently done by humans.
Current limitations of AI is still not as intelligent as humans. It can only perform tasks that it has been specifically programmed to do, and it often struggles with tasks that require common sense or creativity. AI is often biased, reflecting the biases of the people who created it. This could lead to AI systems making unfair or discriminatory decisions. AI is still in its early stages of development, and it is not clear how it will evolve in the future. There is a risk that AI could become too powerful or that it could be used for harmful purposes. The possibility of creating human-compatible technology.
It is possible to create AI systems that are compatible with human values and ethics. However, this will require careful design and oversight. We need to ensure that AI systems are programmed to respect human rights and to avoid harming people. We also need to make sure that AI systems are transparent and accountable so that we can understand how they work and make sure that they are being used for good. The future of AI is uncertain, but it is clear that it has the potential to change the world in many ways. We need to start thinking about how we can ensure that AI is used for good and that it does not pose a threat to humanity. In order to create human-compatible technology, we need to consider the following.
The values that we want AI to uphold. What are the things that are important to us as humans? What do we want AI to respect? The ways in which AI could be used for harm. What are the potential risks of AI, and how can we mitigate them? The ways in which AI could be used for good. What are the potential benefits of AI, and how can we maximize them? By carefully considering these issues, we can start to create AI systems that are compatible with human values and ethics. This will help to ensure that AI is used for good and that it does not pose a threat to humanity.